Hey everybody, this is the Algebra 2 week rundown for the week of February 8th until the 12th, all right? So this week what we're going to do is we're going to start to get ready for your test towards the end of the week, and we're going to wrap things up in the beginning of the week. So on Monday, Tuesday, what we're going to do is we're going to look at two problems. We're going to look at graphing and solving algebraically a system of equations, and one of those equations is going to be that for a circle. So you should have noticed that I did put out the question of the week with a video for you guys to watch before class. It has to do with equations for circles, and basically what do you look for? How do you know if it's a circle? Because personally, I'm going to be honest with you, I could graph a circle way better by hand, and I'm not even really that good at doing them by hand, than by using my calculator, okay? So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to look at two problems. We have two systems of equations. We're going to graph them, and we're going to algebraically find the answers as well. Then you'll have a Google Doc assignment. Again, two problems, very similar to what you had in class. Obviously, they're going to be different, but you'll have some similarities to what we did in class, and you'll have that for homework in the beginning of the week. Then the next part of your week, Wednesday, Thursday, what we're going to do is get ready for your test the following week. All right, so what we're going to do is a Pear Deck review. Those of you that have had me before, you know how they look like. You're going to do some problems, see how you do. I'll take questions, but we're going to look at some possible test questions. So you guys are ready for your test next week. Your test next week, those of you that are full virtual, you will take your test on Monday or Tuesday. That's the day that you guys will be taking it. And then those of you that are in school, we are giving it to you in school, okay? The Algebra 2 teachers have decided we want to give all of our tests to the kids that are in person, and that the virtual kids, you'll be getting it the first day that we give it. So if you're a Monday kid, you're going to be getting a test on a Monday. If you're a hybrid kid, or a blended kid, and you aren't taking your test, you're waiting to take it later, if there is something you're going to do, I'm going to have a Pear Deck activity for you guys to do to get ready for the next section of our book. So that's kind of planning it out. This week, though, we're just wrapping up chapter 4, which was looking at equations, solving them graphically and algebraically. Monday, Tuesday, we're going to look at some problems together. You have a Google Doc assignment. And then Wednesday, Thursday, we don't have an assignment for you just yet. I'm not sure if we'll have one. We'll talk the algebra teachers on Monday, but I do have some problems on a Google Doc for you guys to do if you want to get ready for that test and do a little bit more. And next week you will have a skill check as well. Hopefully I get this out before 2 o'clock to remind you, you have one today too, because today is Friday, but you'll have a quick one because they're supposed to be quick next week, Friday, and then the following week will be your test. All right. So I'm hoping that you guys had an awesome week of school. It was great seeing some of you guys. I hope you stay warm. I heard it's going to get really, really cold. But that's it, okay? So that's your week. Make sure you watch that video on circles, you take some notes, answer the question, do your quick check, and you're ready to go for next week. Have a great weekend. Bye.